Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jess Ria. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge that is in a collab with lots of different people. I'm going to try to find out everybody who is doing this 5-minute makeup challenge, and I will put their links below. So let's go. Thank you, Queen, because this makes my life so much easier. I'm not even going to carve them. I'm just moving on to the next thing. Eyeshadow. This is the I gotta hurry and get up out of here. Oh, I can't see the time because my... Okay. Same brush, going with the gold. And I'm using the Urban Vibes Volume 2. Just blending it into the gold. I mean the brown, blending it into the brown. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, what's the time now? All right. Oh my gosh. That's cool for me. Let's get this face out the way. Primer. Like I'm all over the place. We just doing a light touch up. Okay, concealer. Contour. Ooh. I'm running out of time. Okay. Minute, 8 seconds. Blend, 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 blend. Powder. Spray. The timer just went off. This is my look. I finished like 4 seconds before the timer went off. Yeah, remember I told y'all. Yeah, hear my timer. Well, you don't hear it, but it just went off. So this is my look. It's very, very minute, very simple and to the point. If I had a little bit more time, I probably would have added a gloss, but I didn't even put one up here. So, but all right, guys, let me know what you think. How did I do? And if you want to do this video, let me know so I can see what you can do in 5 minutes, okay? Because that is not a lot of time. You think it's a lot of time, but that time went by like that, okay? Like each thing took at least a minute and a half. And luckily I was able to put that liner on because with that brown matte lip liner that I'll be adding to the line soon, it's kind of like adds it's that type of liner where you don't need to add a gloss or a lipstick if you don't want to. Your lips can be the nude. So that's why I chose that. So yeah, I did my eyebrows. I mean, I ain't carved them, but they done. This is like, I got to go. We got to hurry up and get up out of here. Look, so 5 minutes. I did it. I had 4 seconds left. I did it. So let me see what you can do. Make sure to hopefully I'll be able to get everybody's link that did this challenge down below. And this was fun. This was nerve-wracking. Oh, child. I almost didn't even blend out my contour. Like I would have been walking up out of the house looking rough. And Miss Charlene here, I couldn't do nothing about that. So I've tried. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.